Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make a lightning effect in a very basic steps. I will use this lightning video. You can download it for free, check the description below. Let's toggle it off for a while. Select your video, then go to tracker and click on track motion. Move the box on a well-contrasted area on a car, make big box bigger a bit and let's track that point. For the best tracking results, track it manually. If the box moves from the spot like in this video, stop there, correct it and continue tracking. Once you've finished tracking, go to Layers tab and create new null object. Cut that null, match it to the length of the video. Then go back to tracker and click on Edit Target, make sure to select New Created Null Object and then click on OK. Now click on Apply and make sure Apply Dimensions are set to X and Y, then click on OK. Now toggle on Lightning Layer. Link it with a null layer and enable 3D on Lightning. To remove the black background, go to Modes and change Mode to Screen. The lightning is now following the car. You can adjust its position or scale as you like. Add a glow on a lightning layer. I will use Deep Glow plugin. Expand tint and enable it. Here you can change any color you like. I will stay on a blue. Change mode to soft light. That looks better. Let's jump to second basic method of this effect. On this one, I will use another lightning video. This one will be in description as well. Let's change lightning mode to screen. Add deep glow on it if you have. If not, you can use After Effects glow and a tint effect with it. Under the deep glow, expand tint and enable it. Change color to blue. Now let's toggle off lightning layer for a while. Select your video and pre-compose it. Make sure Move All Attributes is selected, then click on OK. Now go to Tracker and click on Track Camera. As the analyzing has finished, select spots on a car, right-click and select Create Null and Camera. Move that null above the actual video and cut it to the length of the video. Toggle on Lightning and link it with Track Null. Enable 3D on Lightning. Now correct X, Y, and Z rotations, and add a scale to fit the screen. Let's make the lightning behind the car. Duplicate car video. And move it above the lightning video. Select Roto Brush tool and double-click on duplicated layer. With Roto Brush tool, select car perfectly. Once you've finished selecting, press space bar on your keyboard to check if selection is following the car perfectly. If not, stop there and correct the selection, then press space bar again. Roto Brush will correct the rest selection automatically. Once you've finished selecting and correcting, click on Freeze button. As the freezing has finished, go back to composition. If it looks weird like mine, add feather under the Roto Brush. Change Reduce Chatter to 100%. But note, in your case, this settings can be different, cause the videos are different. Play around until it will look cool. Once you've finished with Roto Brush settings, let's mask out this part, so I want lightning be fully behind the car. Select lightning layer, then grab pen tool and mask out like this. Press M on your keyboard and select inverted. Now open mask and add a feather. Correct mask until it looks cool. Then right-click on a mask and select Track Mask. Track the mask with the car. Cool, this was basic steps of lightning effect. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.